At the moment, swinging it in, and every now and again he'll try and push it across him. Oh, good shot. He's hit that one away beautifully. Very strong on the onside. That's a great shot. Beautifully played by Jayasuriya. The ball swinging in. Pretty straight delivery, mind you. I think you'll probably find that would have hit the stumps. That makes well. As it hits that seam. Waqar. Oh, that's out. Caught behind. Yes, caught behind. He's got him again. Waqar Younis has got rid of Sanath Jayasuriya. That's the one they wanted. Boy, does he bowl well to him. We mentioned just a little while ago that he'll bowl the outswinger, and every now and again he'll get it right just outside off stump, hoping for the deflection. And that's what happened.
This was pretty unplayable as far as Sanath Jayasuriya is concerned. At an angle bat, trying to run the ball down away from the slip cordon and neatly taken by Moin Khan. It's a huge wicket for the Pakistanis because Sanath Jayasuriya looking to be in absolutely very good touch. Gone for 11. Sri Lanka lose their second wicket.